Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here from Bosanoff Mortgages. Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you a little bit late with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. Apologies for not doing this yesterday, but I was at a function and I just couldn't get away to do the video. But I did do the video with Rupert from Kura, the KiwiSaver people that we've teamed up with, and hopefully you found that useful, because I have been getting a few questions about Bitcoin and if there's any KiwiSaver providers that offer that. So if you're interested, like I did in the video yesterday, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help you out and make sure that you get the review for your KiwiSaver to make sure that you're in the right scheme and you're getting the best deal for you. So if you want to know more about that, look at that video that I posted yesterday. In terms of interest rates, so yesterday morning when I woke up, most banks were offering, all still doing the same 6-month rate, 6 months fixed 5.99. The 1-year rate yesterday morning though with most banks was 5.79 fixed for 1 year. By lunchtime it had dropped to 1 year 5.75, and by last night when I got home I see one bank is offering fixed 1 year at 5.69. So it's a little drop from the 5.79, but it's going in the right direction. But it looks like that'll be it for the year. I don't think we're going to see much more rate drops in the coming up. There's a slight possibility because there is room for more cuts with the bank margins, but it looks like we may be settling the year at 6 months for 5.99 and 1 year at 5.75. And if you can get a little bit lower, that's even better. But I'll give you an update next week on that. But it looks like we're going to get our OCR cut now on the 19th of February. So there's more scope for rate cuts, but we got to wait till late February now. So if you've got a mortgage that's coming up for renewal or refixing right now, make sure you're talking to your advisor to make sure you're getting the right advice for you and your circumstances and situation. In terms of mortgages, this week we've had a good week. We've had lots of loans approved from the bank, so that's good. A few of them live deals, so that means people with a deposit of less than 20%, their application's been approved from the bank, so that's good. We're in the process now of getting valuations done and meeting other conditions so they can buy and move into their house in the new year. Unfortunately though, we've also had some other applications that have been declined from the banks. There was one that I knew was going to be tight, but it came back declined from the bank due to the credit history. The credit checks was worse than what had been disclosed to us or what the clients thought. So that got declined from the bank. And that happens, guys, when you've got lots of debt and you've got lots of dishonors or unpaid, you've missed payments, things like that. Very hard for me to get you a mortgage without a 20% deposit, without having some good explanations as to why you may have missed some repayments. So credit history is crucial, guys. You've got to have good account conduct, meaning all your bills, all your debts are paid on time, every time. Really important. The other one that was declined, and no fault of the clients, the builder's report came back, identified a number of overdue maintenance, deferred repairs and maintenance, and the bank was not willing to take on that property. Plus the clients that we're pretty much using all their KiwiSaver for the deposit. There's no other funds. They don't have other savings or other means to repair the issues that were identified in the builder's report, meaning that the bank was not happy to take on that security, meaning the property. So again, if you don't have that 20% deposit, not only do you need a squeaky clean credit history, but you've got to make sure that the property you're buying is also squeaky clean with little to no deferred maintenance and otherwise stacks up in the builder's report. So really important that you do your due diligence so you can know what you're getting into before you buy before you go unconditional on a property. And that's where people like myself, your lawyer, and your team around you can help. Anyway, guys, that's the quick update from me. I'm going to sign off. Hope you have a great Friday wherever you are. It's a cracker day in Wellington, so hopefully it's a great day at the Basin for the cricket. And we'll be live with you with another video in due course. In the meantime, ka kite, good to see you all. Press that like button, press that share button, and I'll do a quick summary. No change in the 6-month rate, 5.99. Fixed 1 year rate was 5.79. Now we're seeing 5.75, and one bank 5.69. If there's another change, I'll let you know, but I think this is where we're going to settle with rates for the year. Cheers.